Standard Chinese, a modular approach. Resource module on time and dates, tape 4. On this tape, you'll learn some additional ways to express time, plus how to say the equivalent of AM and PM. You'll also practice putting date and time expressions into sentences. To begin, we'll review some phrases by using them in sentences. The word for to arrive is 到. Repeat, he arrives at 5 o'clock.
他5点钟到。他5点钟到。
Repeat, he arrives at 6:30.
他6点半到。他6点半到。
How would you say he arrives at 8:15?
他8点1刻到。
Now repeat, he arrives on Wednesday at 9:15.
他星期三9点1刻到。他星期三9点1刻到。
Here's the word for airplane.
飞机。
Repeat, the plane arrives at 10:20.
飞机10点20分到。飞机10点20分到。
Now listen to the plane arrived at 7:10.
飞机是7点10分到的。
Repeat, the plane arrived at 7:10.
飞机是7点10分到的。飞机是7点10分到的。
The 是的 construction is used to indicate a past action when the focus is on some quality of the action, not whether the action did or did not take place. Here we're interested in the time an action took place, so we use the 是的 construction. For more information on the 是的 construction, take a look at the reference notes for Unit 5 of the Biographic Information module. Now repeat, he arrived last month.
他是上个月到的。他是上个月到的。
How would you say he arrived last week?
他是上个星期到的。
The verb to leave is
走。
Repeat to leave.
走。走。
Repeat, he's leaving next year.
他明年走。他明年走。
Repeat, he's leaving tomorrow at 11:50.
他明天11点50分走。他明天11点50分走。
A more complete way to express the times past the hour is to use the word to pass, 过. What time is this?
4点过1刻。
A 4:15. Repeat, a 4:15.
4点过1刻。4点过1刻。
Repeat, 3:15.
4点过3刻。4点过3刻。
Put the following times into English.
9点过3刻。
9:15.
10点过1刻。
10:15.
2点过25分。
25 minutes past 2. How do you say 3:15?
3点过1刻。
How do you say 7:75?
7点过3刻。
How do you say 40 minutes past 10?
10点过40分。
Time before the hour, as in phrases such as 5:15, can be expressed using the verb 差, to lack. Repeat to lack.
差，差，
Repeat a quarter before 5.
5点差1刻。5点差1刻。
In the same way, time before the hour is more completely expressed by using cha to lack. With cha, you can say it's so many minutes before such and such an hour. What are these times?
差1刻3点，
A quarter before 3.
3点差1刻。
A quarter before 3.
差8分9点，
8 minutes before 9.
9点差8分。
8 minutes before 9. As you heard, the cha phrase can either precede or follow the hour phrase. Among many speakers, there's a slight preference for placing cha in front, and that's what we will practice in this module. Repeat the following phrases after the speaker. 10 minutes past 7.
7点过10分，7点过10分，
6 minutes before 5.
差6分5点。差6分5点。
15 minutes past 12.
12点过15分，12点过15分，
A quarter before 1.
差1刻1点。差1刻1点。
A quarter past 2.
2点过1刻，2点过1刻，
10 minutes past 11.
11点过10分。11点过10分。
The words cha and guo are used mainly for time telling. Their use in phrases to tell the time of an event, such as arrivals or departures, is normally considered unusual. In fact, guo is most frequently omitted in all expressions. For the remainder of this tape, we will not use guo in time phrases, but will continue to use cha in phrases of time preceding the hour. Now turn to exercise 1 in your workbook. In exercise 1, write in digits for the times you hear the speaker say. Number 1.
差10分2点，
Number 2.
差25分9点。
Number 3.
6点钟，
Number 4.
5点1刻。
Number 5.
8点5分，
Number 6.
7点3刻。
Number 7.
4点20分，
Number 8.
3点半。
Number 9.
11点10分，
Now turn to display 1. Give the times in Chinese and repeat after the speaker. Number 1.
6点1刻，
Or
6点15分，
Number 2.
3点10分。
Number 3.
9点20分，
Number 4.
11点半。
Or
11点30分。
Number 5.
1点17分，
Number 6.
5:05.
Now look at display 2. Give the time in Chinese using cha expressions. Number 1.
差15分4点，
Or
差1刻4点，
Number 2.
差10分2点。
Number 3.
差20分12点，
Number 4.
差14分10点。
Number 5.
差5分8点，
Number 6.
差1分1点。
Now look at display 3, the AM clock. Listen as the speaker gives the names for the times of the day. The early morning hours from around 11 at night until sunup are called.
夜里，
Repeat the word for night.
夜里，夜里，
From sunup until noon, the hours can be called.
早上，
Repeat this word for morning.
早上，早上。
This period of the day overlaps with another word for morning.
上午，
Repeat this word for morning, which covers the time from about the beginning of the business day until noon.
上午，上午，
Now look at the clock, and as I say a time in English, you give the Chinese name for the period or periods of the day in which it falls. 10 a.m.
早上，
or
上午，
4 a.m.,
夜里，
6 a.m.,
夜里，
or
早上，
8 a.m.,
早上，
12 a.m.
夜里，
Now take a look at the PM clock. Repeat the word for noon.
中午，中午，
From noon until 6-ish is called.
下午，
Repeat this word for afternoon.
下午，下午，
From early evening until the beginning of yeli is called.
晚上，
Repeat this word for evening.
晚上，晚上。
Now, while you're looking at the PM clock, I'll give you some times in English. You give the Chinese name for the period of the day in which they fall. 2 p.m.,
下午，
12 p.m.,
中午，
8 p.m.,
晚上，
4 p.m.,
下午，
9 p.m.,
晚上，
1 p.m.
下午。
In Chinese, the period of day precedes the hour expression. For example, here's how you would say 3 a.m.
夜里3点钟，
Repeat 3 a.m.
夜里3点钟，夜里3点钟，
Repeat 7 a.m.
早上7点钟，早上7点钟，
Repeat 10:30 p.m.
晚上10点半，晚上10点半。
Now turn to exercise 2 in your workbook. In exercise 2, write in digits plus the abbreviation AM or PM the time expressed in the following. Number 1,
下午2点，
2,
上午10点1刻。
Number 3.
中午12点半。
Number 4.
晚上9点3刻。
Number 5.
夜里5点。
Number 6.
早上6点25分。
Number 7.
晚上差10分9点。
Number 8.
夜里差10分12点。
Number 9.
上午11点5分。
Now, what time is this?
中午12点半。
12:30 noon. Repeat 12:30 noon.
中午12点半。中午12点半。
Midnight is
半夜。
Repeat midnight.
半夜。半夜。
半夜 is not used for fractions of the midnight hour. 12:30 midnight would be
夜里12点半。
repeat 12:30 midnight.
夜里12点半。夜里12点半。
Let's review the material you've learned in this module. Turn to exercise 3 in your workbook. For each item, circle the correct answer. Number 1.
去年2月。
Number 2.
今年4月。
Number 3.
今年7月。
Number 4.
下月9号。
Number 5.
上月20号。
Number 6.
这个星期2。
Number 7.
下个星期3。
Number 8.
8月6号。
Number 9.
1月21号。
Number 10.
6月8号。
Now look at display 4. Read the times on the clocks out loud. For times past the half hour, use expressions with tra. A.
夜里4点半。
B.
夜里11点10分。
C.
夜里差1刻3点。
Or
夜里差15分3点。
D.
晚上差5分8点。
E.
晚上6点半。
F.
早上10点25分。
Or
上午10点25分。
G.
下午差10分4点。
H.
中午。
This is the end of the tape. End of Time and Dates Resource Module, Tape 4.